So you may have noticed when our cold front moved through yesterday that temperature is out the door. For your Monday, we started off a bit brisk, 50 degrees in Statesboro, mid-50s in Savannah, and we're actually going to get a bit cooler inland tonight. So west of I-95 here, notice some low 40-degree temperatures forecasted. 42 for a low tonight in Claxton, expected to be out the door, maybe even in the upper 30s towards Screven and Hampton County. The coastline will stay a bit warmer from that increasingly warm ocean temperature, now in the low 70s. So 69 was a high today in Savannah, 11 degrees away from that record. Sunset was at 8 p.m. We also started off a bit more chilly. Our normal low was 57. We started off at 53. So the details, another brisk night in the forecast, a little more chilly than last night's out the door temperatures. Sunny though for your Tuesday. We'll see winds shift to the southeast as a high pressure continues to build, which means a warm up is expected. Mid-70s returning for your Tuesday, then 80s with the dry pattern lasting for the next week. Current temps across the deep south. Notice we are a little bit more warmer farther west and cooler closer to the coastline. It's already in the upper 40s in the outer banks of North Carolina. This high pressure will continue to build in, and as a cold front is well to our east, we'll see a northerly flow which will cool us down but also keep us on the calm side. Not a single cloud out there, so clear skies are expected tonight and also throughout the day for your Tuesday. Temps starting off a bit chilly, warming back up into the low 70s in Savannah. Notice the wind shift from the northeast to the southeast throughout the daytime. Coast will just get up into the mid to upper 60s though, but farther inland, that's where we're going to be talking about mid 70s returning. So still a little bit cooler than where we should be, but we'll finally warm back up come Wednesday, Thursday into the weekend. Friday, we have a weak cold front that could cool us down just a little bit, and maybe some rare sprinkles. Some models are hinting at that, but overall I think we're going to stay on the dry side and also relatively warm. Climate Prediction Center 6 to 10 days out from now, so about a week in the future, are predicting above average temperatures. So will we reach 90? I know we reached it 3 days in a row last week. That could definitely be possible, and also the rain chances look relatively dry across the next 5 days. Temps tonight in the upper 40s inland, low 50s on the coastline, cooler winds out of the northeast. Tomorrow, back up into the mid 70s, maybe even upper 70s inland, still on the cooler side compared to, again, when I say cooler, I say compared to where we should be at 80, although for most people around the country, they take 70-something degrees any day of the week, which just shows how beautiful the weather is here across the coastal empire. 7-day forecast will go from the 70s, about 10 degrees warmer come Wednesday, Thursday into Friday, a bit cool down as a weak front could move through on Friday, but the weekend looks fantastic. We will get back up into the mid 80s with abundant sunshine, maybe upper 80s come next week. What we do know is the next 7 days, they look dry.